Hello everyone, my name is Sketchy Macrocosm, and today we're going to be building a chest mimic monster together. So I find it's easier to start with these little pieces. I've already cut these out from their sheets, so if you want to go ahead and do that to follow along you can, or you can cut piece by piece. First things first, we're going to put the tongue and stick it through the white slit of the blue face, and I'm going to glue down the back like this. Okay, in this part I'm using the heat of my finger to kind of curl the tongue so that it makes more of a bleh kind of shape. If you don't want to do this, you don't have to, but I think it looks nicer. We're going to take the folded white lines of this blue face sheet and fold it towards us because this is going to be on the inside of the chest. And you can see I'm using my finger again to kind of curl it so that when the chest opens it has more of a natural popping effect that it will spring itself open to. And of course, close your glue stick when you're not using it. Here I'm just folding all the lines, most of the lines that are on the chest piece. This middle rectangular long piece is going to act at the bottom, so I'm folding all the sides upwards, and these trapezoid glue tabs are also going to fold inwards. Those are going to attach the adjacent sides to create the box shape. And here we're folding the teeth. First I fold the top dotted line towards me and then the second one outwards. This creates kind of a pocket so that when the top teeth come down, they can sit in that pocket so it's completely concealed when you close it, so you can't even tell that it's a mimic chest. And here we're just gluing the corners all together to create that base box. Here I'm pulling the teeth outward because I want the glue tab to be under the teeth so that if I were to glue it over, it would kind of seal up a little bit, pinch that teeth pocket. If you would rather it do that, some people, it could look like a nicer presentation. If you want to do that, you can, but I think it's better to just have it be open. You're able to fit the teeth in a little nicer. Here I'm using my fingers again to just kind of curl the top chest so that it creates that arc. It's a little more natural when gluing these sides in. All three of these white tabs on either side, they're all glue tabs, so we're going to fold that back away from us. And we're going to do that on the other side as well. Here it's a little tricky to get all three glue tabs to stick under the chest, so just try your best, get your finger in there if you can. It just has three tabs so that there is less of a gap between on the edge of the chest. If you really need to, you can fold back on the dotted line that I didn't fold yet until now, yeah, so that you can get your finger a little bit more in there. It opens it up a little more. And of course, just do the same on both sides. The nice thing about glue is that it's pretty forgiving, so if you don't get it in the right spot first try, you have a few seconds to kind of move it around, push it into place. You'll just about have your box by now. Perfect. Just maybe you want to fold those teeth back. It's possible they could have folded out when you were, like me, adjusting the tabs. There we go. All that's left is to put the face inside the chest. Oh yeah, and this is a demonstration of the teeth so that you can see what it looks like folded closed, and then it kind of pops open naturally, but it'll even be even better with the face inside. So we're gonna apply glue onto these rectangular tabs on the white side because this is what's going to be on the inside of the chest. You don't want that white to show. And I try to line up the edge of the blue piece right on the dotted line of the teeth on the other side. If it's on printer paper, which it's most likely, you'll be able to kind of see through the paper to see where the dotted line is. And this is a little tricky. It's okay if you need to pull it out and kind of readjust its position like I do a couple times here. It was even a little tough for me, but yeah, I'm sure you can slide it into the right place. Okay, just need to close that glue cap, and then fold those teeth back one more time, and then you have your little chest mimic monster. I'm so happy with how this turned out. I think it's great that it's able to pop up kind of on its own, and that you're able to conceal it completely just like a real mimic. I hope you really like this craft and that it's fun to make. If you want to download this, the download link is in the description, and I will also have my Gumroad link on the screen at the end of this video, as well as my social media if you want to have an eye out for my next paper crafts, either on Twitter or Instagram. It's the same social handle pretty much. Yeah, this is great for sitting on your desk, or the nice thing is that it's paper so you can make as many as you want. Thanks for coming, and have a great day!